Hey Homo sapiens and Marbites, it's me Rogue Marby Scott, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back any new watchers or subscribers. In today's video you're going to see me sport 6 different lip looks. And basically what I was doing in this video is I was actually just practicing, so it's not even going to be a tutorial. It's just me showing you how I practice before I do a full look or a lip look or an eye look or just any looks in general. This is how I practice if I'm not going to draw it down on paper first, because I do like to draw my visions down, but on this particular day I decided I didn't even want to draw. I just wanted to try out the makeup itself right onto my face and whatnot. So today I'm just drawing all the makeup, well, not drawing all the makeup, I'm putting all the lipsticks onto my face very roughly just to get an idea of how I want it to look. There is one particular lip look that you might have seen before. It's an Instagram look, and I don't know who the original artist is, but I liked it and I decided I wanted to try and recreate that as well. I am using a brush that was not very useful, however, you know, it's trial and error. So just keep watching the video and I hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Bye.